Scanning large-scale networks can feel like a daunting task, but with Tenable, it becomes much easier and more efficient. In this video, we'll break down how to scan large-scale networks using Tenable, a powerful tool trusted by security professionals worldwide. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll know how to get the most out of it. Plus, we have an exclusive offer for you to try it for free with some additional bonuses, so make sure you stick around. First things first, Tenable is known for its network scanning capabilities, particularly for vulnerability management. It can handle everything from small businesses to massive enterprises with large-scale network infrastructures. The beauty of Tenable is that it automates much of the vulnerability assessment process, allowing you to focus on fixing problems rather than finding them. Next, let's dive into how you can actually set up a large-scale network scan. The first step is to log into the Tenable platform and create a new scan. Tenable offers a range of scan types, but for large networks, you'll want to set up a discovery scan to map out your entire network. This will allow Tenable to identify all assets connected to your network. The fourth thing you need to understand is Tenable's ability to scale. You can divide your network into smaller subnets or segments, and Tenable can scan them individually, making it much easier to handle large, distributed environments. This feature minimizes performance impact while still getting comprehensive coverage across all assets. Now, it's time to configure your scan settings. You'll need to choose the right plugins, as Tenable offers a huge library that covers all sorts of vulnerabilities. Be sure to select the ones that are relevant to the specific devices and systems on your network. Once you've chosen your plugins, you can set the schedule for the scan, either run it manually or schedule it to run automatically at set intervals. Another key feature to highlight is Tenable's ability to prioritize vulnerabilities based on risk. It analyzes the network and flags the most critical issues, allowing you to fix the highest risk vulnerabilities first. This prioritization helps prevent downtime and improves your security posture overall. As your scan runs, you'll receive real-time results. Tenable provides detailed reports, which allow you to drill down into the specifics of any discovered vulnerabilities. This feature is extremely helpful for compliance reporting and remediation planning, making the whole process more streamlined. Finally, after your scan completes, Tenable offers remediation guidance to help you address identified vulnerabilities. These insights are designed to be actionable, guiding you step by step on how to fix the vulnerabilities across your network. Before we wrap up, remember that you can use Tenable for completely free through our exclusive offer. Check out the first link below to claim your extended free trial, along with some extra bonuses just for you. Tenable can be a game changer for anyone managing large-scale networks, and with the trial, you have nothing to lose. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into Tenable and start scanning your networks with confidence today. Thanks for watching.